How to replace the RYOBI Mower Blade. For models P1180, P1190, RY401170, RY401180, RY401140US. Ensure you have the proper equipment to complete the job. Ensure you have the proper replacement blade for your mower. Remove the start key, then remove the battery from the battery port. Fold the handles down. Turn the mower on its side. Support the mower blade with a block of wood. This will prevent the blade from turning while removing it. With the 15mm wrench, turn the blade nut counterclockwise to loosen. Then remove the blade nut spacer, blade insulator, and blade. Do not remove the hub or the adapter. Place the new replacement blade onto the shaft and align the holes in the blade with the posts on the hub. Replace the blade insulator and spacer. Then tighten the blade nut with your fingers. Use the torque wrench to tighten nut according to the user's manual. Need additional help? Call RYOBI Customer Service.